In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM current server boost failed to load boost data. So first, let's open the file location directly in your FiveM application. In here, select FiveM application data. There you go. And then select the crashes folder. So in here, delete all the files inside it. Now let's go back again and then select data folder. And then open cache folder and delete all the folders inside it. Okay, so let's go back again and then go back to our logs folder and delete everything inside the folder as well. So once you're done, let's close this windows and then let's move on to the command prompt. Just go ahead into your search bar and then type in command prompt and hit on run as an administrator. So in here, let's type in the ipconfig space // flash DNS and then hit on enter. And then you will see here all of the corrupted DNS will be removed from your PC, and after that just go ahead and restart your PC and the error will be fixed. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.